Yeah, we live.
J.I. Beats.
Yo. What's happening? It's about time we go back to Chrome. Got this grill peeling up. We're gonna take a heat gun and blast away at this. Got the Q50 cleaned up a little bit. Those back seats back put in there. Those tire stickers on there. If you guys didn't see that video, go check out all the old videos. We're gonna take off this back trim piece too. We'll handle that. We got that arc grip exhaust hanging down there. And if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys go hit me up, follow me everywhere. Let's get this. Shit is hot. Got that barrel smoking. J.I. Beach, we killing it, cuz.
J.I. Beats.
Hey, brother. Somebody told me I had fucking zombie hands. Brother Jake. Shout out my brother Jake. The Jake way. Did me dirty, did me the Jake way. Getting down. Alright folks, I got the front side done. How are we looking? That's one thing about this vinyl wrap. If you guys plan to get that put on there, just know that thing will seize up on there on you. So you're gonna have to go back in and go get you a heat gun. Let's finish up strong. Let's hit this backside. Drop comments what you guys think. Yo, do I really got zombie hands, bro? Come on now, Jake. That's fucked up, brother. Right there. Reverse chrome delete. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hey, shout out to Miramar Car Audio for hooking it up with that chrome delete. I had that on there for like 4 years. So if you guys in the San Diego area, I don't know if they're still doing that, but if you guys need your audio system hooked up, go hit up Miramar Car Audio. Shout out to J.I. Beats on there. Like I said in the beginning of the video, go follow me everywhere. And go drop comments, share it with the homies. Let me know what you guys think of the video. See you guys in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.